All right, so welcome back to Heroic Online Academy. This is to introduce to you this wonderful course, Ajax full tutorial, how to update a website asynchronously with Ajax, JavaScript, and PHP. All right, this is a step-by-step guide on how to update a website asynchronously by exchanging data with a web server behind the scene. You see, actually this Ajax is actually a course that's extremely important for those who are interested in web development. Okay, this course, it will help you. Once you learn how to code with Ajax, you will be able to code some applications that will help you to update stuff in your in the database, okay, on your website, okay, or to achieve a task in your website by sending requests from behind the scene. If you are used to PHP, you are going to see that when you click on a button, for example, PHP will reload the entire page, okay, before that task is accomplished. But when you use Ajax, the whole page will not reload. It will send a request behind the scene, okay, then you will achieve your aim. Let me give an example. If you want to build something like chat application, okay, you want to add something like a chat feature, okay, in your website, Ajax will help to a good extent to get that done. Or you have something like a pop-up. Let me show you a pop-up here. For example, if you have a pop-up like this, I think, okay, let me use this my website for example. I'm show you. When you click here now, you see a pop-up. This is a pop-up, okay. So if you click on a button here, something will be achieved from behind the scene. If something is achieved by clicking on this button behind the scene without closing this pop-up, it means that you are using Ajax. Let me just show you where Ajax is actually active in my website. Apart from the registration form, because it's active in the registration form. Let me show you the registration form first. When you click here now, maybe, or even the login, okay, the sign up. If I fill this form now and click on sign up, it will send all this from behind the scene and submit without reloading the entire page. That is Ajax working. Do you understand me? Now if I should also log in, let's say let me log into the old academy and show you to the dashboard and show you exactly where I use Ajax to build stuff. Okay, you see how amazing Ajax is. Okay, let's log in to, okay, not from here, from here now. Let's log in now. Now let's go to our heroic students. You see how I'll show you how I confirm my students. For example, if I want to confirm this student, for my students to have access to their course, I need to confirm them. Now this is an example of a pop-up that I use Ajax to work. For me to confirm this student now, let's say if the student pays for graphic design and I want to confirm the person, I'll come here. Let's see if I want to confirm for corridor, I'll click here. Do you see? Confirmed failed. Maybe I've deleted something in the database. That was why I wasn't able to confirm. But the important thing is that when I clicked on this button, you know what happened? It sends requests through the background to PHP, and PHP processed it and returned something here using Ajax. You understand me? That request was sent by Ajax to PHP for processing. Do you understand me? Without closing this pop-up. So this way you can also chat with people, like you build chat application where people can chat in your website using Ajax. You get me? So you see, it's an amazing course you must learn. It's extremely important that you learn it if you are going into web development. All right? Okay. I've said you will learn how to update a website asynchronously with Ajax, JavaScript, and PHP. All right. Then what you need to commence to learn this course, you need basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, jQuery, and PHP. So you need all these to be able to have all the background knowledge you need to learn Ajax. Okay. All right. Once you have a knowledge of, especially a knowledge of JavaScript, extremely important. Extremely important. JavaScript, very important. Even if you don't have knowledge of others, JavaScript is very important. But you need a HTML and possibly CSS. Okay. If you have jQuery, jQuery is not a must, but if you also learn it, it's okay. If you have PHP knowledge, so it's okay. Extremely important. I mean, it's okay too. Okay. That said, you also need a personal computer, a laptop or desktop, and the knowledge of how to use keyboard and mouse. You must learn how to use keyboard and mouse before you will have work with this Ajax course easily. Okay. Now, like I said before, it just allows web pages to be updated asynchronously by exchanging data with a web server behind the scene. This means that it is possible to update part of the website without reloading the whole page. I've explained this before. All right. Learning Ajax will equip you with a skill to make your website extremely user-friendly. With Ajax, you can build chat applications, login system, many other extremely useful features in your website. I've shown you some of the things I built with it. Okay. So the nature of our training, our training is online. Okay. So if you want to pay for a course, just bear in mind that you are paying for an online course. Okay, but we have hundreds of tutorial videos in our website. Okay, we have hundreds of tutorial videos on many programming languages uploaded in our website. Now, once you make payment and register for any course in our website, you have access, you have lifetime access to the course. Okay, you can always, anytime you want, you log into the website, you download tutorials and start learning. All our paid tutorial videos are downloadable. They are all downloadable. Unlike some other online courses where you log in, you learn online without downloading the videos, we try our best to make our courses downloadable, so that if if you are used to learning online, you're going to see that sometimes if network is not stable, you are going to struggle. But if that course is downloadable, you're not going to struggle, because you can download the courses when the network is okay. Then you learn anytime you want offline without needing the internet anymore. You understand? So that way it makes life so easy for you. You don't have to spend so much data watching online. You can download it and watch it offline over and over, and even you own the video. You own it. Okay, once you download it, you own it. Okay, so that is a good advantage of learning from us. Okay, and another opportunity you are going to have is that you're going to have access to my mentorship. Okay, you can ask me questions as you're learning. We'll answer your questions. Okay, then this is my number. You can ask me questions, and the way I answer my students' question is, if they encounter any issue, they chat me on WhatsApp. Okay, I might tell them to send me a screenshot of the challenge they're going through. Then I'll go through the screenshot and tell them where the problem is. Or if the situation is complex, I normally ask them to send me a zip file of their code. I will go through the zip file and solve the problem. I will make a video to explain where the problem is. Okay, normally the videos, you can find some of the videos I made to solve the problems in my website, in my YouTube channel. Maybe I will show you one of the videos I made to solve one of my students' problem. But before I do that, we also have online community, WhatsApp group where all our students are. Okay, so you can, once you register as a student, you are going to be added to the group so that you exchange ideas with other students. And let me go to our YouTube channel. Let me show you the video I made to solve one of my students' problem. This is one of the videos I made to solve my students' problem. Okay, you see someone comments here. It's a good day. I love your classes, but I'm doing here. Okay, I'm doing one here in JAWS, HTML, CSS, React.js. So you see, so this is the video I made to solve one of my students' problem. The lady is having issue with Ajax, so I had to make videos to solve it for them. See the videos? So I'm showing the students where the problem is. Okay, so that's, by the way. So just to show you that I actually take my time to make videos to solve my students' problem. My concern is that my student is learning. And one more thing is this: while I'm teaching my students, I am building my workforce. most of my students are going to work with me, especially those that did well. Once you do well, they work with me. Okay. All right. So that said, and one more thing I don't know if I've said is this: we encourage our students to build application. Okay. We encourage our students to build application for themselves, because once you go into programming, programming is one course that will give you the opportunity to be creative, to create wonderful stuff for yourself and for other people and make money with it. Okay, that is one of the reasons most of the world richest are programmers, because they create stuff for themselves, for their vision, and use it to power their vision and make money with it. So we try our best to encourage our students to do so. Okay. And meanwhile, this particular course is a 1-week course. Okay, you can complete this course in 1 week, but it allows you to study at your own pace. If we design it to be completed in 1 week, but if you're a busy person, you will study at your own pace. You might not complete it in 1 week, but you can, and you will still end up completing it. Okay. So that is it. Now, let me quickly show you where our students are creating application. I told you that we encourage our students to create application. How we do it? We do it by actually organizing competition among our students. We tell them to build applications and present in our talent development website. That is a website where we host talents, different talent display. Okay, they build their project and present it in that website. Okay, let me quickly show you the site quickly. This is our talent harvest website. Let me go back. Okay, this is our talent harvest website. Okay, where students upload their talents or their projects. Okay, for us to view. These are some of the projects uploaded by some of our students. Okay, so if you can preview any of their courses to see their presentation. So what they do is they make videos. After building a project, they make videos to showcase their presentation, their project for us to see. So you see that this way we are training them to learn how to make a presentation. Because if you are actually a programmer and you want to make money with it, you want to work for people, you can build an application and make a presentation to present it to people. And that's one of the ways why we are organizing this competition, to give them that opportunity to build, to learn how to present their project to potential clients. Okay, so if I should play this now, you see this is a presentation of one of my students. You see. Yeah. Okay, you see that? So the student is presenting his project. Okay, so this way they are learning and they are getting ready for the task ahead, the task of building massive project to power their vision, and that is our aim here. Okay, so if you want to build a project to power your vision and you want a platform that will make that possible for you, Heroic Online Institute is the place to be. Okay, because we have everything planned out for you. Okay, that said, if you love to learn how to code professionally, this is a great opportunity for you. Okay, we try our best to simplify the courses for easy understanding. So even if you know nothing about programming or web development, the way we simplify this course, it's going to be so easy for you. The students are learning and they are giving me feedback that it's so easy. Okay, so this course is designed for everybody. Okay, both young and old. It is highly recommended for people between the ages of 10 years and 60 years. Okay, but if you're a smart kid and you're below 10 years, you can still participate in this course. Okay, if you are 60 years, if you're above 60 years, you can also participate in the course as long as you are still strong. Okay, so this is the way to go. Coding is for everybody. Okay, you can't be left behind. Okay, if you want to go into full stack web development or you want to go into back-end web development, this course is highly recommended for you. Okay, there's no two ways about it. You need to learn the course. All right, so you can order for this course in this platform and commence learning. Okay, so how do you order for the course in this platform? It's simple. You're already in the platform. If you're watching this video, you are most likely in this platform. If you're not in the platform, you can chat me in this way. Phone number, chat me. Use this phone number, chat me. Okay, chat me. Then I will share the link to this to our online course so that you can have access to it. So let me show you the online course. Okay, seems. Let me log out from this one and show you how to order. So these are some of the courses we have in this platform. Okay, we're adding more and more courses every time. So you can click on add to cart to add courses. You can add more. You can select more if you want. You can select more if you want. Once you select enough the courses you need, click on proceed to buy. Okay, then you log in. You log in with your email. Once you log in, then you complete your payment. You get here, choose your payment method, and you're good to go. Let me just choose this one. Click here. You pay to this account number. If you want to pay through with your card, you choose this option. Okay, then you pay with your card. If you want to make a transfer, use this option. Then complete your payment. So you see, it will get you to this place. So this is a simple way to do that. So you see, it's so easy and awesome. Okay, so what are you waiting for? So it's time to order for this course and start learning. Just know that ICT is highly, highly important. It's one of the courses that when you learn it, it is boundary. You can walk anywhere around the world. So wherever you find yourself, you must have an opportunity. You can walk at the comfort of your home. You miss nothing and you gain everything. Thank you so much. By the way, I'm Ucheju. I'm the founder of Heroic Universal Concept International. This is an opportunity for us to work together. I can't wait to start working with you. Thank you so much.